Most laser engravers sold online are underpowered hobbyist toys that fail after a few uses. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud for years. So how do you pick a reliable unit that actually lasts? This video breaks down the top picks and why they matter. Today, I'm going to be going over the best laser engraver that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Wecreat Vision Pro. From the outset, this machine signals a boutique-level capability aimed at small businesses and serious hobbyists seeking scalable, efficient production. Ideal target audience includes makers who want industrial performance with 60-watt-like cutting power in a compact home or studio setup. It positions itself for jewelry art designers and small shops needing batch engraving and precise cuts without compromise on quality. The enclosure is fully metal, creating a sturdy silhouette that houses fumes and debris while keeping the workspace visually compact. The auto pass-through feeder unlocks extended workspace for oversized projects, enabling longer runs and easier material handling without repositioning. Integrated fume extraction is rated for strong odor removal, preserving indoor air quality during long engraving sessions. The system combines a 45-watt diode with a 2-watt infrared module that switch between for versatile material compatibility. A separate rotary probe enables full wrap engraving on 40-ounce tumblers in a single pass, expanding product customization. Offering dual laser modules, a 45-watt diode, and a 2-watt infrared unit enable versatile material compatibility across a broad range. In practical tests, operators achieve clean cuts through wood up to 25 mm and acrylic up to 20 mm. The LiDAR autofocus maintains precise focus with zero manual adjustment, improving repeatability across different materials during high-throughput runs. With air filtration, the system preserves a comfortable workspace and minimizes odor during longer sessions for extended projects. Compared with a rival 40-watt class laser from a well-known brand, the Vision Pro delivers faster throughput and greater bed area. The pros include sturdy build, large work bed, and versatile material support. The cons include high price and large footprint, which may deter hobbyists with limited space and budget in compact studios. At number 4, we have the Xtool F2. From the moment unboxed, this compact desktop system signals serious potential for hobbyists and small shops seeking professional results without heavy industrial gear. Its rugged enclosure blends a brushed metal feel with precise tolerances, while the 4-point mounting and compact footprint fit neatly on workbenches. Built in a high-resolution 50-megapixel camera provides live visualization, delivering up to 0.1 mm alignment precision on small pieces. With speeds reaching 6,000 mm per second, it completes card engravings in seconds and supports batch processing through a slide extension. Fully enclosed and portable, the design minimizes fumes with a built-in fan and optional purifier, weighing 4.6 kilograms. Arrives fully assembled and ready to run, with built-in material presets that remove guesswork and RA3 accessories, expanding project versatility. Compared to the Glowforge Plus, the Xtool F2 offers a dual laser system and faster batch workflow that expands material compatibility. The pros include dual laser versatility, 50-megapixel camera for precise alignment, and a portable, lightweight design ideal for on-the-go setups. The cons include a higher price point and the requirement for a larger workspace to accommodate its dual laser setup. Real-world tests confirm 6,000 mm per second speed translates to rapid turnarounds, while alignment accuracy stays near stated precision. During trials, color marking on metal showed vibrant depth, the 50-megapixel camera captured crisp alignment, and 3D embossing proved surprisingly resilient. Setup wizardry comes from ready presets and accessories like the slide extension, expanding batch capabilities for coasters, phone cases, and small merchandise. Overall, the Xtool F2 targets makers seeking industrial-grade dual laser performance in a portable desktop package with on-site flexibility. At number 3, we have the Xtool S1. From the moment you unbox the Xtool S1, its solid metal chassis and enclosed workspace convey serious dedication to safety and precision. Its out-of-the-box readiness is reinforced by autofocus and a friendly software suite that guides newcomers while empowering veterans. Designers and hobbyists will appreciate the generous enclosure that reduces fumes and noise while offering rapid marking and engraving under demanding loads. The chassis uses a robust aluminum frame and precision components, delivering stable cutting and engraving across large surfaces with minimal deflection. With a bed massive enough for sizable projects, the unit accommodates complex templates and multi-piece assemblies without frequent reclamping. The frame remains rigid and stable during high-speed operations, minimizing vibration and ensuring accuracy even across large surfaces. Patented pinpoint positioning technology promises exact placement on delicate items, while auto pass-through technology enables long, uninterrupted passes for oversized works and easier workflow. Safety features include 5 flame sensors, an emergency stop, lid open detection, and a fully enclosed chamber that minimizes exposure. AI-powered software and over 1,000 tutorials empower beginners to design projects quickly without professional design skills. During testing, the unit maintained consistent engraving on woods and acrylic while delivering clean edges and minimal scorching under tuned parameters. Real-world throughput varies by material, yet its engraving remains precise, delivering sharp marks on thin sheets and consistent depth on thicker woods. Compared to the Glowforge Plus, the Xtool S1 offers a larger perimeter bed and superior pass-through potential for oversized pieces. The pros include an excellent safety enclosure, a powerful 40-watt laser, and a notably large bed size for bigger projects. The cons include a high price tag and a steep learning curve that may overwhelm casual hobbyists seeking simple plug and play. At number 2, we have the WeCreat Lumos Flex. Right out of the box, the Lumos Flex presents a compact desktop footprint with a clean enclosure that suggests professional-grade reliability. Its dual laser architecture immediately signals a broad audience from jewelry makers to woodworkers seeking one machine for multiple materials. Weighing a compact 2.8 kilograms, the device appears highly portable for pop-up events and on-site demonstrations. The enclosure design emphasizes safety and dust control, with a snug seal that minimizes smoke while keeping maintenance accessible for routine cleaning. Material tolerance and build feel reflect decent rigidity, aided by a robust Y-axis assembly and a low weight that reduces desk vibration. The cooling strategy relies on a built-in fan and optional air purifier to sustain performance during longer batch sessions. One machine delivers dual capability with a fiber laser for metal and a diode laser for wood and plastics, enabling seamless material versatility. With speeds up to 10,000 millimeters per second, it can engrave a name card in seconds and accelerate batch throughput dramatically. A built-in 50-megapixel camera coordinates alignment with a 4x work area extension, yielding precise previews and seamless batch filling. Designed for on-the-go customization, it weighs just 2.8 kilograms and adds a rotary extension for cylindrical items. Pre-assembled and fully enclosed, it includes a built-in fan, optional air purifier, and access to make it software with AI-driven features. In lab-style tests, the machine maintains stable performance across longer sessions and demonstrates consistent engraving depth and quality on metal and wood. In direct comparison with the Xtool D1 Pro, the Lumos Flex delivers dual lasers and faster batch processing, though price varies. The pros include a strong dual laser system, exceptionally fast throughput, and a built-in high-resolution camera. The cons include a higher price point compared with basic lasers and a learning curve for optimal dual material workflows. At number 1, we have the Wecreat Vision Pro 45W. From the moment you unbox it, the device presents a premium brushed aluminum shell that exudes durability and modern craftsmanship. Its fully metal enclosed structure with an eye-protecting cover creates a safe work environment and reduces exposure to fumes and light. The LiDAR-powered autofocus maintains astonishing accuracy across more than 300 materials, eliminating manual tweaks and boosting overall productivity. The workbed measures 22.83 inches by 15.75 inches, offering 42% more workspace. Rotary Pro enables full wrap engraving on 40-ounce tumblers and integrates with automatic material handling to streamline batch work. Auto lifting adapts from 1mm to 140mm, while a smart HD camera ensures precise positioning and alignment. An auto pass-through feeder expands the usable workspace to accommodate longer projects, enabling seamless handling of extended parts and materials. Compared with typical 40-watt laser engravers, the Vision Pro feels faster and more capable thanks to beam focus and its expansive bed. The pros include superb build quality, large bed size, and accurate LiDAR autofocus. The cons include high price and sizable footprint. In hands-on testing, it produced crisp, clean engravings on wood and acrylic while maintaining steady throughput and minimal curve variation. The fully enclosed design and blue light filtration make it suitable for classrooms and workshops with learners and professionals alike. With support for hundreds of materials including wood, metal, and plastic, it proves versatile for signage, prototyping, and limited-scale production. In typical setups, users will appreciate the balance of safety, precision, and scalability the system offers for everyday engraving tasks.